why this week seemed so long to me, but y'all, I'm free. I'm about to go to a little Mexican restaurant, get a little something, and hang out with a dear friend of mine. I'll catch up with y'all tomorrow. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm so tired. Hey! I'm getting ready to go to J. Annie and Chris's wedding shower. Y'all, I am in the car wash right now, and the whole thing just stopped. No, this is one of my biggest fears. No. Hey! Okay. What am I supposed to do? Okay, it turned back on. Oh my God! Woo! No! This is not the time to be playing around. Okay. Now, you know, there was this acai, whatever, bowl that Aldi just sells during the summertime. And I've been waiting for it for a year now. And I've been at my Aldi's, because I got two. And they're nowhere to be found. So I had to go, a little 15-minute journey. And I found them. Call me greedy, call me whatever you want, but I took the whole box. I did. I took the whole box. Yeah. Good morning, my beautiful people. This week I had to show face at work, and they, of course, required business casual at the very least. So you can't see the whole fit. I'll show a picture of my fit from yesterday, and I'll insert something for today, I guess. I won't be showing y'all tomorrow because this is just a check-in for this week. Y'all know I'm not a morning person as it is. Y'all know I like working from home. So this has been, I have to grocery shop after work. Not really excited about that. Probably won't be filming that because I have this thing about going in the grocery store, getting that stuff done in like 30 minutes, like every time I can do it. And then getting out because I don't like the grocery store. Storms came in this morning. I don't know what time. I just heard the loud clap of thunder that woke me up at 8 a.m. I figured I better go and take care of some business. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. The cluster lashes, doing my own lashes, that's cute. That's cute if I plan on wearing my natural face for a while. But sometimes it's just, I wouldn't really say a hassle, but it's just kind of an obstacle when doing makeup. I just want to get some strip lashes, take the babies off when I get done, and call it a day. Okay, these are the two lashes that I chose to get. I'm not sure if I want to do like a full lash look or if I want to do like just the whole cat eye look. So I didn't know which one that I wanted, but we'll try both of them and way that they look on me. So here we have these lashes I already showed y'all. And then we've got these, it literally says kitten lashes, but it's really just that cat eye look, you know? But y'all see the vision, right? Y'all see the vision. Roll with it, and when I beat my face, then I'll try one and see how that works. Okay, you guys, so the kitten lashes, they won. They won. Because I put this eye on and I was like, and it gives me that sultry look that I'm looking for. So, yeah. Look who feels like herself again. It's back. Isaiah Rashad is back in the city, in his hometown. And so, that is where I'm going tonight. Going to have a jolly good time because he's one of my favorite artists. And yeah, but I'm about to go get something to eat now, because if I don't eat now, I'll be suffering later. For me, so I wasn't taking it seriously. So this will be very interesting. Oh God. Okay. So y'all, I'm a little turned right now because I had already been tried by my job about some other things, and then this lady tried me. On top of that, I am hangry. I'm literally reciting every single Bible verse in the world, y'all, to try and remain calm. I realized about halfway here to Nashville that I forgot my overnight bag. But it's okay. It's really okay, you know. Thankfully, you know. Okay, y'all. I finally freaking made it to get ready, because anytime you go into a concert, they make you get rid of your pepper spray. So I'm putting my little deodorant. I'm kind of just trying to decide if I should do like a little haul of the stuff I got from Target while I'm just sitting here. But people are peopling. I'm gonna try and look like somebody, even though I had a really rough day. I didn't know Gunna dropped a new album. So I was trying to listen to it like on my way here. Take me a sip of water.
He's spitting on rape, all this on my coast. Keep touching a lily on boost. Doing good, bitch, I'm coach. And I might make on my grind. I ain't wasting no more time, no. This ain't just rising, say shit that's in my mind, yo. I bet you gave you.
I just wanted to go through everything that I got since I didn't bring my spend a night bag. I had to. Sometimes you gotta quit being bougie and go where you fit in. So I had to fit in at the Dollar Tree, and that's where I went. I mean, a little exfoliation scrub, washcloth thing. I got me some shower caps because I'm black. And then I got me some, what is this? What do you call them? Claw clips, so that I can claw my hair up, because I didn't bring a bonnet, so I gotta figure out a way to preserve the hair. Oh my gosh, y'all, I was freaking out in the car when I left Target saying like, oh my gosh, that girl forgot to put my charger in the bag. It was right here. I got some toothpaste, Colgate, got some Pond's. Y'all, my granny would be like laughing, like, I mean cackling in her grave if she knew I was using Pond's, because I always used to tell her, Granny, that's too thick, like it's too old. And now I use it religiously. So I got me some good old Pond's. I just want y'all to know the travel size Dove. Now I normally don't use Dove. Y'all know this. Y'all know this. But for the fact that I was just on the road, I was not gonna buy a whole big expensive bottle of Natrium. I was just not gonna do that. So I just got me some Dove, and the travel size was almost the same price as the regular size. So I was like, get in where I fit in. I need the regular Dove bar soap bar holder for it. I got me some eye patches. I'm gonna probably use these in the morning just because I didn't really get sleep last night. I think because I was kind of excited to come here. So I'm gonna just use this in the morning. Lotion, some good old Vaseline because I don't want to be ashy. Gel scrub for my face. I mean, a regular toothbrush. Some regular socks, which is okay. I probably needed to get some more of these anyway because I had like no ankle socks. Like none to my name, y'all. I don't know where they went. I swear I don't. Just some panties, y'all. They're just boy short panties. Nothing special. I'm not about to be scandalous. I had to get a medium because I felt like large was gonna be too big and it was gonna have me hanging every which way. So I got a medium that would give me a little bit more of like a fitted kind of fit. Pair of like some loose, like flared leggings. And so I'm gonna pair that with my shirt just to be kind of like a on the road fit. I also have some business to take care of up here, so that's also why I got this Flo Milli shirt. Also because I just really like Flo Milli, but I got this Flo Milli so that I can put it over my shirt when I go handle my business, and then when I get done and go get brunch, you know what I'm saying? Some plans fell through, and I don't believe that there will be any more content for the rest of this week. I told y'all that I was just gonna give like a March update in May's vlog. All that really happened in March is that my baby brother turned 16, and my granny's birthday was in March as well, and my old lady up north, her birthday was in March. I got a new tattoo, and then also touched up another tattoo that I've had probably about like 3 years. So it was like 3.5. And let me just say this before I forget, to the girl, hey mama, who took my pictures yesterday at the concert, I love you forever. That was so sweet of you. You know what, y'all? I was going to, I realized that I did not sign off on the last video I did for the month of May for the vlog. And since I am taking the time to edit that video, I wanted to go ahead and do a sign off. And I wanted to show y'all my full face. But I'm sure that some of y'all can hear, I'm not really feeling too hot. And anytime I'm not feeling too hot, whether it be like pain or like allergies or, you know, a sickness, my face just be looking like a sack of nickels. So I'm not really gonna put myself on camera. Y'all just gonna see these eyebrows, this forehead.